Today, teach you how to fix your profile views on TikTok problem. So if you're not able to get this profile view feature on TikTok, or like you don't know how to use it, let me show you how to fix it. First, you guys can see, to know who has viewed your profile on TikTok, there's this little circle at the top right corner. If I click on it, I can know who has viewed my profile, but this gets resetted every 30 days. Alright, they need to remember that. So for this, you need to turn this on. So in order to see this, click on the 3 line at the top right, and go on Settings and Privacy. And over here, going versus Privacy, draw a bit down, and you can see the option called Profile Views. Click on it, and make sure it's on. Once your profile view is on, you can just go back, and if somebody views your profile, then at the top right, it's going to show you the profile of the person. You can click on it to see who has viewed it. Now, to turn it off as well, it's pretty simple. Just click on the 3 line again, Settings and Privacy. Go inside where it says Privacy. Click on Profile Views. Turn it off, and your profile views will be off. But let's see, you don't have this feature called Profile View. Well, try to update your TikTok, because sometimes you don't get this feature, because this feature is only available in the latest version. So update your TikTok and a problem should be fixed. And even after updating your TikTok, if your problem is not fixed again, click on the 3 line at top. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and click on Report a Problem. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down again and click on Submit Report. You want to write this over here. I don't have profile view option on my TikTok. Can you help me fix it? Click on Submit. This problem will be submitted to TikTok. TikTok staff review it, and they'll help you fix a problem. So that's how we guys can fix profile views on TikTok. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.